Sapasa nimor gyagagi Israel parnanyamship sokbe dawe kholar phurutonchar yobadini taben zamlena America tha urusu gyana che gegap sumge dawe kholar phurutongyu lamno chimbe jela gyaga thinde gegap ang shiba chagyu miyu sung yodo lecture ke tu chandarayan subam pheke tu dawe phutu ang suba she mingta ba thi nala sala phapje ki thuje thombuji thang dawe tengla nyushi da korean chigen ki thuje che yobati sapasa nimor tone halam dunta ni gi jela dawe tengla phapju soba chi gi yodo gyaga gi pharnanyamship sobe longu shi ngola dawe kholar phutu tongwati lamlon chung me batang Taredi Teng Nibacha Yuyensing, Dawe Puruti Sapasangi, Gagagi Ninguja, Chuzu Nida Gama Sumju Sungala Doncha Yudu. Tonge Mumbai Ru Dawe Purususa, Gergi Tonglet Semba, Godrej and Boys Sungde To Zube, Pana Leshi Surar Jove Sakuba Namla, Tonglet Sembe Chiket Genzinki Dejunandu.
Looking forward for this Chandrayaan 3 launch. The first one was in 2008, as we all know. It was
Nanzu Chandrayaan Sumba Tongzi Chegyu, Tengyu Chandrayaan Tangbuni, Nidong Gelor Tangbati, Manzu Same Shegre, Sungar Tangbati, Lamlon Chimbase, Dawar Koregavyore, Tene Ang Nibate, Nidong Chugulor Tangbati, Gaja Gupchu Lamlon Chimbase, Zowani, Datan Chola Chimbase, Nanzu Tare di, Lamlon Druju Yemba, Nebatembu Yola, Lega Chicken, Sangmar Bobata, Munzin Druju, Rewachigi Jesунdu. Godrej Panang Kamgi Leshi Genzin Shumbatang, Sole Gujigi.
Raw material front also, which earlier we were dependent on.
Pana Leshi Ched Sube, Pudu User Sena Gaga Yargeshira Chenyu, Kaisena Tengyong Anzu, Titanium So, User Kaji, Chigel Tengyu, Tadu Yinaya, Jala Yuche, Gadget Yatamba Sotugu Meba, Zoni, Lokche Namla 2 day. Pudu Gupche Gaja Gupchusam Ganzu Gaga was Susu Subachayu.
And any particular equipment what we make is indigenous now.
Dawe Putute, Dawe Collar, Chinda Gebar Jorguta, Tadun Dunda Nizam Ringla, Dawe Collar, Nezu Durup Chegu, Sobachegi Yose, Nezu de Chokti Nyandu Shuken, Snamian Zom Yen.